it. That's it.
Radha's first meal of the day.
See? That's it. Okay, it.
6 months and 1 day.
Ready? Get pa. Di maka awat ate ba? Awat ate. Like ate oh. Sis. Sum. Sige, kaon na. Eat. Gamay naman ilang yun na kaon. Yun basta ilang first. Important lang yun.
Tukan na Rob.
Dire. Kulbaan ka. Yan, tukan ka.
Kaon pa man siya.
Okay. Sige, eat. Eat, baby. Sige, eat. Eat. Ang lang ling. Ang ling. Sige, eat. Yan nakabag-drink ka sa imong water ka. Tired? Come on. Bored na ka? It's okay. Makapara ni Ate Riley ni mo. Tana. Ate na kit na okra.
Egg and watermelon in the mix. Sip.
Ay, gusto siya di.
Juice man good.
Dili gusto gid kag paserbisyo ha. Dili
What do you mean by that?
Sup tubig.
What do you mean by
mas sa iya.
passerbisyo? What do you mean by that?
She wants you to be feed.
She wanted to be feed.
Yeah. Not like Riley before, but now Riley wants to be fed also.
It's an opposite. Canada.
Because she likes it so much. She likes it.
Like it?
Yummy.
Yeah. Eh. Saman. Arte kay ka kuya.
You've been like this, right? Before?
Yeah.
You want? No. Wala siya.
Wala siya nakainan.
Rice sabaw na iya ha.
Di ay.
Then kanang mash gid na. Kaning kang ilaha si Riley mo ingani. Yum?
She
Yummy
was messy
Rags?
like me.
Yummy Rags? Oh.
She was messy like me.
Ato sa maka-learn siya mo fix sa
Can I have a
iyahang.
boiled egg, please?
Yeah. Get it there. Kanto sa maka-learn siya te na siya ray magbutang sa iyahang maaba. Introduce lang yun ta sa iyasa.
Serious kayo sa noong.
Serious ba kayo yung bibi na?
Wakas.
Focus sa kaon.
Tada.
Sige. Di pa magod kayo siya ka-grip ba? Hold it. Hold it. Kita bang? Mommy, help. Kit. Uy, naay liso. Sige.